So it's Black Friday today, and we have some special deals from our friends at Anker that we're going to be sharing with you. Actually, Kirk has all the details for all the deals on his phone right there, which is part of a pretty cool rig and contraption. We are going to kick it off with this over here, which is, of course, a robotic vacuum, eufy, smart dynamic navigation, hybrid. Oh, it's a 2-in-1 mop vacuum, actually, so it will mop the floor, vacuum the floor, 2000 PA super strong suction power, ultra thin. Yeah, actually this is small. Man, as far as RoboVacs go, that's pretty tiny. That's where it will drive home, and that is where it will charge. It will be capable of mapping out your premises and determining the most efficient manner in which to clean it up. The RoboVac G10 Hybrid for Black Friday is going to be what percentage off? 47% off, $159. This can be yours for $159. Actually, that's not very much money at all. Every single deal we're going to talk about today is exclusive. Details will be down in the description so that you can take advantage of each one. Use the link in the description of this video. It will take you directly to the deal. Okay, next up is the PowerComp C300. This is, well, the conf simulation stands for conference, and that's because you're going to use this for all your video conferencing needs. There's Will. That's who I was looking for. He tried to hide. He ran away. He came back. He was like, man, we streamed for like hours today. Isn't that enough, man?
Yeah, it's a lot of work.
All right, so this is a webcam. Smart full HD webcam. 1080p, 60 FPS, 115 degree field of view, 2 microphones, HDR capable and AI powered. Oh, and it has a privacy thing on it. It's a stick and slide.
Oh, okay.
Which is kind of like a slip and slide.
Right.
Which is kind of like a super soaker. Hey, man. So we're gonna go like this, stick it down. What do you think? No? Yes?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, so it stayed, look at that. Nothing faster than that, just quickly privacy. No problem. Now it has a stand built in. It also has a tripod mount, so you can hook it up to a tripod if you want it to be freestanding, but otherwise it's gonna be capable of connecting to the top of a laptop display or any monitor you choose to use, and as mentioned, USB Type-C, fairly long cable, nice little recessed connector there as well. And 60 FPS capable.
An extra $10 off of the 30% off.
Whoa! So they're calculating after the initial subtraction? Holy, that's sophisticated stuff. Either way, better deal for Unbox Therapy viewers. Already a good deal on the product. $89.99. Link down below. Next up, adventure together into new worlds, Will. This is the Astro Pocket Cinema.
Oh.
The family, the screen.
Yeah, that's me right there.
The ambient lighting.
Okay.
The relaxation. Let me tell you something. Here's the thing about this, all right?
What's that?
That's tight.
Yeah.
That's tight together.
Yeah.
You can't maintain a whole movie that tight together.
That's lovely.
No, that's too tight for a whole movie. I'm getting hot just looking at it.
Oh, so you think it's bad?
I'm like, give me a little bit of space. Like, you know.
They're sitting on a love seat.
I mean, a movie's 2 hours long. Or is this more your style?
Rowdy.
A beer in a plastic cup, watching the football match.
Yes, that is definitely football. I appreciate it. Yeah, I'm having fun. I'm that guy.
That's you, okay. So this has Android built in. iGuard tech, 360 sound, speakers in there as well, portable design. 3250 milliamp hour battery, so you don't even have to plug it in. It's gonna be more of an outdoor portable projector because 100 lumens, which is fine. It's a little party machine that you carry with you. And it has all your apps built in, so you don't need any like attachments for it. I suppose you can attach things. You have a full-size HDMI in the back if you did want to hook up, I don't know, a game console or something, or any other source. USB Type-C to charge it up. Tripod mount once again for finding the right positioning, though you could just put it on a tabletop. Speakers on either side of the device, and it's all about portability here and ease of setup. You go to a little party, set up for the sporting event, hit the power button on the top, volume's up here as well. It's 29% off, bringing the price temporarily down to $199.99 for Black Friday. I almost forgot there's a remote control as well if you prefer to interact with it that way. And they put the IR on the back of the device, so it can be in front of you. You can control it from there. Everything you're going to need right over there. Liberty Air 2 Pro. You're familiar with this device?
I use this every day.
That's like when they have that, the dude who does GTA in real life. Do you know what I'm talking about?
Yeah.
And then he goes,
Yeah.
I don't know why that. You love this product. This is the Pure Sound. This is the Liberty Air 2 Pro. This is active noise canceling, 26 hours of playtime, wireless charging built in. This is, we're gonna open it up here just to see the inside. Transparency mode.
Yes.
So you can hear through, have the pass through when you're outdoors. You do a jog here and there. You do
I walk Otis.
You do a walk. No more running?
Here and there. Yeah. The reason why I like it is because of this feature right here. Bam. Easy. Super easy.
Bill's going off. He's going off right now.
You close it, bam, done.
I never saw him get so excited about a product.
It's just so simple.
Normally he waits for me to talk about it and then has a slight react. That was strong.
I pushed you away. Yeah.
That was strong. He's like, and the reason I like it is slap because of this. Yeah, it's smooth. It's kind of a nice feeling.
Addicting.
Kind of satisfying. It's almost a fidget.
Yeah. Nice sound.
This is 31% off, $89.99, USB-C input, 9 different ear tips from triple extra small to extra large, so you can get the best fit. It's an in-ear style earbud, as you can see. Ooh, I love these power bricks. Package doesn't tell you much. 65 watt. So the deal is on this one, it's a Nano 2 65 watt with flip down prongs, and it's barely bigger than the 20 watt model. And the beauty of 65 watts, well, it's obvious, it's more capable, but that means you can charge other devices like laptops and stuff. Imagine that's your laptop charger. Like some of those tiny Ultrabook style laptops ship with a 65 watt, but it's way bigger than this.
And you could tuck in the prongs so they don't poke you.
I call that a prong
Travel
tuck.
friendly.
I call that a prong tuck.
There you go.
Yeah, MacBook Air's charging in 2 hours off this unit, and look, it's in the pocket. Don't mind me. That's just my Nano 2. 65 watt, flip down, flip up prong.
Impressive.
And actually, I like this color too. It's kind of like space gray almost on that side. Whoa! 47% off on this, bringing the price to what?
$27.99.
$27? 65 watts?
For a laptop charger.
In the pocket? Type-C? Phone? Laptop? iPad, tablet? You pick. I mean, all that stuff's gonna be perfectly charged 65 watt. This is still the bread and butter as far as Anker's concerned. The bread and butter with the power.
That's nice. I'm gonna get me one of those.
He brought out the line. He might get him one of those. He might pick up a little Friday deal. All right, this next one I gotta go to Willie doing the next one. You have experience with this exact product or something from the same lineup?
Something similar to this.
Okay. Military grade data encryption, no monthly fees.
They're good products.
Well, this is a 360 camera with a floodlight. You don't have that, do you?
No, I don't.
So the light comes on, the motion comes, the light comes on, the guy's already scared.
Yes.
He's already like, oh my God, I'm on Willie Doo's cam.
Yeah.
His cam show.
They say it out loud.
I'm on William's cam show.
I can't be messing with this guy. He's got the floodlight and the 360 going.
I'm just like this.
Live view and recording history. This is inside the eufy security app. Instant notification, multi-user access, smart alarm, activity zones to reduce false notifications, and two-way audio so you can speak to that same dude I was telling you about. You see the flood go on. You're like, excuse me, sir.
What are you doing?
Or that.
Yeah.
Now, because it's a 360 degree, you can pan and tilt for your camera coverage, so there's no blind spots, or at least a far less a risk of a blind spot. Look at where they located it right there. They can see the whole front of the house. Subject lock and tracking, two-way audio I mentioned, and 2K full HD resolution, IP65 weatherproof outdoors. Works with voice assistant, 3,000 lumens of bright. Look at that guy, the dude is blinded. 3,000 lumens.
He's getting bamboozled.
3 tunable light panels. You can adjust the lighting angle, intensity, and color temperature for any scenario. Oh. Wow. Wow, you get the right angle on that.
Well, yeah, the Node subscription is the best. And it's local. Everything's stored locally.
Yeah, I know, man. You're like, it's a full security detail out front. And it's 1 unit to install, but 360-degree look. So you can get a lot of coverage even with only 1 spot installation, and probably skip having multiple cameras to cover different zones, which is cool. All right, so the deal on this one, $209.99, 30% off. Details will be in the description. Many different items to choose from. Anker's got whatever you need for Black Friday. Give these a look. Thank you to Anker. And Will.
And Oldest.